Why he won't commit. If you are dating a man and weeks or months have gone by and you still don't know where you stand, he hasn't committed, but he hasn't left either, you might be wondering, is he scared? Is he damaged? Is he not ready? Or is it something I'm doing wrong? Today, I want to explain why he won't commit in a way that actually gives you clarity, not excuses, not false hope, and not self blame. Because confusion is not neutral. It costs you time, it costs you emotional energy, and it quietly keeps you stuck. Here is the problem most women are in. You are not in a relationship, but you are not single either. You are emotionally invested. You talk regularly. There is chemistry, there might be intimacy, but there is no decision. And the longer this goes on, the harder it becomes to walk away because now you are attached and still hoping. This is the place where women lose months, sometimes even years, waiting for a man to suddenly decide. And I want to be very clear with you. Men do not drift into commitment, they choose it. So when a man will not commit, it's never random. There is always a reason. Here is the core truth. He won't commit because right now he doesn't have to. That doesn't mean he doesn't like you. That doesn't mean you're not attractive. And it doesn't always mean there is another woman. It means the current dynamic is working for him. He gets connection, attention, companionship, and sometimes intimacy without responsibility. From his perspective, nothing is broken. From your perspective, everything feels uncertain. And uncertainty is the price women pay when a man is allowed to stay undecided for too long. Most women don't get stuck here because they are weak. They get stuck because they are hopeful. You tell yourself he just needs more time. He's been hurt before. He says he likes me. He shows up sometimes. He has not said no. But here is the hard part. Men don't move forward because of time. They move forward because of clarity and consequence. If months pass and nothing changes, that is already information. Indecision is a decision. It just isn't the one that you want. Let me give you the real reasons I see over and over again. Not theory, not internet psychology, real patterns from coaching women over all these years. 1. He enjoys you but not enough to choose you fully. Attraction alone does not create commitment. 2. He senses you will stay even without commitment. When a man feels no risk of losing you, urgency disappears. 3. He's unsure but comfortable, and comfort keeps men stuck far longer than clarity. 4. The dynamic is emotionally unbalanced. You are more invested than he is, and he can feel that. And men don't step up when they are being carried emotionally. This doesn't mean you did something wrong, but it does mean something in the dynamic needs to change. This is where many women get defensive. So please hear this gently. Don't control his choice, but you do influence the dynamic. If you are over available, over explaining, over giving, waiting silently while hoping he will decide, You are unintentionally teaching him that commitment is optional. And again, this is not about manipulation, it's about self respect and clarity. Men respond to women who are clear about what they are available for and what they are not, not with threats, not with pressure, but with grounded certainty and actions. Here is what I want you to understand. The goal is not how do I make him commit. The goal is how do I stop wasting time and confusion? Because when you get clear, two things happen. Either he steps up because the dynamic shifts, or you see clearly that he was never going to, and you get your power back. Both outcomes protect you. Both outcomes move you forward. I work with many women who come to me in this exact place, dating a man, waiting, hoping, overthinking every text, every delay, every mixed signal. And when we look closely at the situation, there is always a pattern. Sometimes it can be changed. Actually, most of the time, it can be changed for the better, but sometimes it cannot. However, clarity always comes. And clarity saves women months, sometimes years of emotional drain and wasting their time. So if you are dating a man right now and he's not committed and you don't know whether to wait, change something, or walk away, this is exactly what I help with. You can book a one-on-one session with me. I will look at your specific situation, the dynamic, what's actually happening, and what your real options are. I will tell you what you can change to give this the best chance of moving forward and get him to see you as the one and only by giving you a step-by-step strategy. Or whether this man is simply wasting your time, using you, giving you mixed signals, and doesn't care less, is he wasting your time or not? Either way, you will stop guessing and you will stop staying stuck in confusion. The link is in the description to book me for one-on-one coaching. And remember, you don't need more patience, you need clarity. Lots of love. Bye, ladies.